soup.
Yeah. So for the ingredients.
No, let's look at our. Let's just look at our ingredients.
Yeah. So we got oxtail. We got some daikon radishes and some garlic.
And I got some ginger, some beef powder.
Or beef bouillon.
Yeah. And some salt. This might not look like salt.
And also some cold water. Now I'm gonna add the ingredients.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna add in the oxtails.
Well, what?
Oh, that is not.
Okay, now should I add in? Do I add salt? Now I'm gonna add in the salt.
Alright, I'll add in the beef bouillon. Look at this clump of beef bouillon.
I think I add.
You just add all in. William, you don't need to like drop it in. No, William, stop doing that. If you do that, then the water's gonna splash up and splash on me. Hey, stop doing that, William. Just like drop it in. It's not boiling hot.
I know.
William,
Sorry.
do it on the side where there's more beef. So William,
Sorry.
just do it on the side that has more. Put on the pot on high heat and then let it boil for 30 minutes. And then after that, we're gonna put on medium low and then let it simmer. I'm gonna turn it on right now.
Okay, now we're just gonna wait till
Let this cook for 30 minutes.
And this is a perfect meal for the evening.
I'm just gonna mix it. And also we're gonna cook it the Southeast Asian style, which is like more chewy. And also in Korea, they would like boil the beef soup until the soup is white and the meat would like fall off the bone.
Taking out the scum from it, so the broth is less white,
and also so it tastes better, I guess. And also, you wouldn't want to have that in your soup while you're eating it.
And also, ask your parents' help for this. Do not do this on your own.
I mean, unless you're an adult already.
Or if you're like.
Alright, so now this is the part where we're gonna simmer the soup for an hour. So now just turn it down to I guess like right here should be medium low.
We'll let it cook for another hour, and we'll come back.
It looks now.
After 2 hours.
Yeah. It was it lost a lot like half of its water. I guess it might have evaporated.
Taste some of it.
I'm gonna give a little bit for you. 2 scoops, that's what we'll do.
Thank you. But what? I barely got any of the meat. Hot.
Yeah, let me grab myself one. Let me grab one.
Yeah,
how do you like
there's
it?
no meat on it.
What do you mean there is meat on it? They're not just like, it's chewy, remember? It's beefy.
Yeah, it does.
I'm sorry. The meat is very chewy.
My friend tried meat.
You agree with me? It's very chewy.
It's hard to get out. Look, one got stuck.
Yeah.
A part got stuck in my teeth.
Yeah. I mean, even though it's chewy and hard, it's still good.
Watching, like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And
this soup is very easy to make, so you should try it, and it's real good. Bye.
bye.
And so